Beloit Snappers have the day off today, and it is well-deserved. The Oakland A's single-A team sits in second place right now in the Midwest League Western standings, thanks in part to a pitcher that is certainly making some noise. Ryan Wing has more on the kid they call Boomer.
Boomer Biegalski has been on the top of his game lately. In his last 2 starts, the Snappers All-Star has allowed only 2 runs in 13 innings of work. He struck out 10 in those games and has picked up back-to-back wins.
He's thrown his changeup more. He's executing his changeup more, and his fastball location has been very good. So, he's getting ahead of hitters, and then he's being aggressive in the strike zone, pitching to contact. So he's done a great job lately.
We just had our pitching coordinator in town and said I can throw it a little bit more because it's better than most people's. So instead of having a breaking ball, I usually throw my changeup.
And it's a tough pitch to pick up, and when you have that kind of confidence and that weapon that you can go to any time, it makes it difficult to square balls up on him.
Boomer had his ERA as low as 1.96 in the first half of the season, earning him that All-Star nod. A few subpar outings pushed it to 3.21 heading into the break, but he's lowered it down to 3.0 as the Snappers have won his last 3 starts.
It was a confidence boost because I actually got to throw an inning in the game, and I just got up there and have fun, and that's when things started going well. So you just got to remember it's just a game and go out there and continue to throw how you know how to throw.
The Snappers currently sit in second place in the West, 4 games behind Clinton, as they look to make a push for that final playoff spot. In Beloit, Ryan Wing, NBC 15 Sports.